G'day trendsetters, it's Monday morning, about 9 o'clock, 9:15 in the morning, and I should be at work, but here I am in my backyard in my garden. Why? Basically Brisbane was shut down because of coronavirus. Brisbane is the capital city of Queensland, which is to my east about an hour and a half, and because I went down just before to Brisbane to pick up my drone and come back, they've told me I have to stay at home. I work in aged care, so they're extra careful about coronavirus getting into aged care facilities, and our company, no exception, they have done a really great job. But I'm at home. Hopefully today's the last day and I can get back to work tomorrow, because I know the grass is growing and the hedges are growing and I've got a small shit ton of work to do at work. But having said that, I've got a large shit ton of work to do here. So I'm taking the opportunity. We've had, since the beginning of the year, New Year, nearly 3 inches of rain on top of the 5 inches of rain that we had in December last year. So I've got weeds just growing everywhere. I've got hedges that need hedging. I've got plants that need planting. I've planted parsnip and what was the other thing? Oh, beetroot this morning. I want to plant some lettuce. I want to plant some carrots. I want to plant some more beans. I went through my seed stash this morning. I've got a few other flowers I want to plant, some calendula's, bee attracting plants, all that sort of stuff. So basically I just wanted to update. I had great plans for the weekend. I've got a patch of potatoes at work which are long overdue to be harvested, so I was going to make a video about that. Hopefully if I get back to work tomorrow, I can do that tomorrow afternoon. I've also, you'll see this, I've got this crepe myrtle here behind me. When we bought this place 27 years ago, this was the only tree on the property, and where I stand now I'm surrounded in trees, and actually it's pretty hard for me to veggie garden here because there's so much shade. But yeah, this was it. But the crepe myrtle, so I took cuttings of crepe myrtle from work early December, and they've struck. I was going to make a video about that as well, but they're at work and I'm stuck here in the garden, so I can't do that. I think that's about it. I've got a little bit more work I want to do where I'm going to put the raised garden bed that I talked about in my last video. Otherwise, that's about all I want to say at this stage. Just a quick little video just to update where I am, and hopefully I have now got some really good subsoil moisture in my soil, so I can really go nuts with the planting this autumn and winter. I know there's going to be lots of brassicas, lots of peas. What else can you plant in winter, autumn? Oh, all my onions, garlics, all that sort of stuff. I'll go through it as we go along in the year. But at the moment, it's trying to keep up, catch up, plant seeds and weed like mad, which isn't bad. I don't mind weeds because I just throw them in the compost and it gives me heaps of compost, and the whole circle, the circle of life keeps going. Circle of gardening life. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Cheers, and hopefully I can get to make that potato video. They should have been harvested over a month ago, but it's just always been raining. This week's supposed to be fairly fine, so I hope they're not rotting in the ground, but I don't think they are. They should be all right. It hasn't been hot, it's just been wet. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.